About this wig, and the reason why I'm excited is because this is from a company that I reviewed hair from like a couple of times, and if this one hits, that means I'm going to add them into our rotation of wigs to review. If you are new here, my name is Jessica and I can't comb hair, so I'm always on the hunt for affordable and beginner friendly hair. If you're an oldie but goodie, welcome back. Now if you're an oldie but goodie, you've probably seen me review hair from this company like a couple of times, but not many. Hopefully this is a review that adds them to the rotation. The name of the company is Curlyme Hair. And I know that you have probably seen them all up and down your timelines and your algorithm. But like I said, I haven't really ordered a lot. So I hope that I will like this one. All I've done was take this out of its shipping packaging because I do everything on camera with y'all. So this is a soft box, and I hate the soft boxes because they do this. They get damaged in transit and it's so hard to care for a box like this. I do prefer the hard boxes. But let's see if the wig can make up for that. So let me take out the wig. They did include a bunch of extras, which some companies have stopped doing that. So this is definitely a plus. They have some HD wig caps in here, some eyelashes, an adjustable glueless band, and an edge band with their branding on it. So I can appreciate that because some of the other companies have gotten very, very slack. Okay, this wig is a straight wig and it is 10 inches long. Let's take it out of this plastic so we can look at it up close. Where I live, y'all, the low is like in the 90s. It is very, very hot. And I go back and forth between Mississippi and Louisiana. It is hot. It's, like I said, in the 90s. So I have lately been on the hunt for some short, affordable hair. And when I saw this one, I said, let me get this because that will really determine if we're going to add them to the rotation. Y'all, you can't go wrong with a classic little bob like this. Okay? It gives very much woman in charge. Woman that, you know, has everything in order. All her ducks in a row. I don't even know what my ducks said. But this wig will make me feel like I do. If it does what it's supposed to do. 10-inch bob? Yeah. Okay? So I do like the texture on this. It is not a very yucky texture. It is more on the silkier side. But it's that nice silky that we do like because it got a little bit of yak to it. As far as the cap construction goes, I think I got a 7x5. Look at that description box and you'll see. I can tell you off the rip, they have something that I love that a lot of companies have stopped doing. We do have combs in the front. And I love a good comb. One to the left and one to the right. We also have an adjustable glueless band. It is one of the thicker bands. We have a comb in the back as well. And we have a drawstring, which is my most favorite part of the wig because it really allows me to make these wigs fit my head without it feeling too tight or too loose. And we have a comb in the back as well. Oh, they've also included that silicone band going around the back to help it lay flat. And they've done something. This cap construction is dope, y'all. They've also put in cutouts over the ears so it fits comfortably over your ears. So that's a really nice cap construction. I will give them that. I really do like this. What I'm going to do is put this on my head. I'll have to probably run a flat iron through it or so, but y'all know I ain't going to do too much. But I will run a flat iron through it if needed, and then I'll give you a 360 and I'll come back with my final thoughts. Be right back. guys, I'm back with my final thoughts on this wig, and I must say 10 out of 10. With Curlyme, at this point, I've tried an extremely long unit from them. I've done a curly unit from them. I've done a pixie from them, and now I have a bob. And after reviewing all 4 of those, now I can say that I will add them into the rotation, because this one, just like the other ones, checked every box. I know what my boxes are. Okay, it has to be affordable, it has to be beginner friendly, and it has to be good quality hair. And this one definitely fit that mold. As far as affordability, I mean, it's a 7x5 bob wig that is short. So of course it was extremely affordable, and they do have payment options. Then the beginner friendliness, like I said, all I had to do was take this out of the pack. I pushed some of those baby hairs back, ran my flat iron through it haphazardly, and this is what we got. So super beginner friendly. And the quality of the units that I've gotten from Curlyme are also top notch. So I definitely recommend this one. And I'm excited to go look around on their website and see what I want to try next, because all 4 of these have hit. This one, no different. Look at that bob. Bobbing, 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 bobbing. If you look down in that description box, you'll see a direct link to this wig as well as all the details, because this one, winner, winner, chicken dinner. Until next time, y'all, which will be very soon,